Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to activate the personalization of your advertising. So the first step is go to TikTok. Here in TikTok, you need to go to the option of profile here in the down part. And here in the superior right corner, you need to pick in the option of the bottom of these three lines. You pick here, and after that you get a panel with three options: Creator Tools, My QR Code, and Settings and Privacy. You need to pick in Settings and Privacy, and here in Settings and Privacy you need to go to the second option, Privacy. So here in this button you need to pick here in Suggest Your Account, and in the option of you got option where set personalization of advertising, activate advertising here, but I recommend to you verify if you got the professional account active. So you need to go to the configuration of the app here in account, and you need to switch to business account to activate that option. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.